Oh, the sauce is incredible, Andy.
Tired? Oh, jeez. Okay. Ossobuco. That's what we're going to be making tonight. The ultimate comfort food, super easy. I found these beauties for about 19 bucks at Fresh Market. 3 of these beauties. Look at this. This marrow is going to be like butter. Delicious. 1, 2, 3 of these bad boys. And we're gonna make it in basically a stew with all these ingredients, right? You can either put tomato sauce, in this case I'm using tomato paste, with the chicken broth that I made before. Deglaze the pan with some cup of red wine. Then it takes about 3 hours to cook. And after that, you have heaven on a plate. Let's get to it. All right, so we got the Ossobuco salted on both sides. We're gonna slap them in a pan with oil and butter. So it's about 5 minutes on each side. Alright, so you put in the mirepoix, saute that for about 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I decided to add some of the mushrooms. We actually deglazed the pan with a little bit of red wine already. Just about a fifth of a cup maybe. Alright, so instead of tomato sauce, I'm going to add some tomato paste and mix it in with the chicken stock. That tomatoey soup salt stock. Pour it in there and then whisk it. So the veggies are almost sauteed. I added a little more oil to it. And then you want to add a couple heaping tablespoons of flour for the roux. Got that sticky fond at the bottom. I'm going to add some wine to it. Scrape it. Add the stock gently, allowing it to thicken before adding more. So I added the garlic and the chopped up parsley. I add about a half cup more of wine. Bring it up to a simmer. We're going to pop in a little bouquet garni. Throw it in there. And then we're going to grab the ossobucos and lay them gently in there. Not so gently. It's going to be boiling for about 3 hours. Look at all those beautiful juices. Yes, they're going in there too, bud. Just pour in and incorporate. And then we're going to add the pearl onions, cubed potatoes for the last half hour of cook. All right, it's been simmering for about 20 minutes. Look at that beauty. Just keep it at a low simmer, stirring every 15 minutes or so. All right, so it's been an hour and a half. Time to add the potatoes and the pearl onions. I'll cook that for another half hour and then we're done. And we're done. Look at this beauty. What we're gonna do is remove the meat. That boom just came right off. Got a little foggy. Remove the meat and thicken up the sauce a little bit with a cornstarch slurry. Oh shit. Hey Jesse! I lost one. There you go. Look at that. Alright, cornstarch slurry. Just get like a teaspoon. Cold water. Get all the chunks out, dissolve it well. That should thicken up right away. All right, time for the moment of truth. All right, so now the bone marrow. All right, go for it.
Okay. So soft and buttery. Wow. I'm trying to enjoy the sauce too. Oh, the sauce is incredible, Andy.
Thank you.
Very good.
All right, moment of truth for Daddy. Drop the mics. It's hearty. Fills your soul and your body. You can feel it. It's a winner. Winner. Ossobuco dinner. Anyway, we're gonna finish with this. It's a Scotch. Royal Brackla Distillery, aged 8 year. Never had it? Well, I've already tried some. Keep cooking until next time.